I'm Allison Campbell, the Emsl director, and I'm here with Alice Dohnolkova, who's a scientist in the microscopy group here within Emsl. So, Alice, can you tell me a little bit about yourself? How long you've been at Emsl, where you're from, what you do?
I came to PNNL more than 15 years ago, starting at the microbiology group, and then came to Emsl, transferred about 9 years ago, when we actually acquired this microscope, transmission electron microscope. But everything, my work stayed pretty much the same, always using the transmission electron microscope or electron microscopy in general as a tool for investigation and looking at the processes of microbes and their environments.
Nice.
I'm originally a chemical engineer. I studied at the Institute of Chemical Technology in Prague, Czech Republic.
Okay, so you're Czech?
Yeah, I'm
Right.
Czech, yeah.
Awesome.
And then we came to Pittsburgh, University of Pittsburgh, and I worked there at the School of Medicine, at the Cell Biology and Physiology department.
At UPitt?
Yeah, UPitt, yeah. And that's where I learned how to do electron microscopy.
Nice. So what are the types of systems that you look at? You talked about microbes and their environment. What are you trying to study in general?
So we are looking at the high resolution imaging of microbes, of course, and their environments, which is not only the morphological studies, but also the chemical imaging and crystallographical imaging, because we have there the bacteria and then the surroundings, which are minerals or soil organic matter, these type of things. So we can access it chemically and crystallographically, how microbes alter them, weather them, these type of things.
So I know several people who just love working with you because, from my perspective, microscopy is not just a technique, it's an art. So what is it about what you do to really get the great images? Do you have any secrets that you want to divulge, or is it just experience with the systems?
Oh, secrets. I wish I had more secrets, but this was years and years of capability developments. Historically, electron microscopy facilities, they are either devoted to biology or material science. When I first came here, those 15 years ago, I was kind of shocked that this high-resolution microscope for material science does not provide enough contrast for our light elements biological things. So we developed methodologies how to image both the soft materials of the biological origin and they are associated with the minerals. So yeah, you have to nurture them more, process them differently, and these type of things.
Yeah, I mean, that's hard if you got a mineral that's going to have you a big contrast with a biological.
By all
and
means.
So you just really worked on how to tease out the features of both.
Absolutely.
So I heard recently that some of your work is going to be featured in a Science Perspective written by Jim Fredrickson. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
I mean, that's a really great honor to have some of your images in a journal like that.
Absolutely.
So
it's a great honor, and you know, I didn't do anything for this one. This is a picture which was chosen, but Jim Fredrickson, of course, he's the person who wrote the perspective. And
right. But you've had a long collaboration with him, and I think that's really a fantastic example of working, you know, how the user facility can enable some of the other programs here within PNNL. And so I think that's a great example for people to look at.
By all means, the ongoing collaboration, that was when I first started in his group, that's been just amazing and productive and gave me so much.
Yeah.
I learned so much, and I'm learning on a weekly basis, for a fact.
And so you're also getting your PhD, I hear?
Yeah, Allison, I'm finishing my 5th year at the WSU.
What is it in biology, chemistry, plants?
Yes, it's environmental sciences.
Nice.
It's in rhizosphere, for fact. So it's interaction, again, microbes with the soils. Very nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.